Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to share my daily activities, so uh, so that you can know something from me about my daily activities. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I would like to share with you my daily activities, in which will be very important for you as you are coherent to me. When I don't have any fixed topic, that time I am not able to say anything effectively. So it is a problem of myself. But today I'm going to share some important things that will help you to understand about myself and my condition. As you know that I'm learning English, so it is very important for my career. So that's why I'm learning. I am learning from newspaper. I'm learning from video watching video. I'm learning from watching news or watching important news, and I'm watching some important documents so that I can learn new words every day. So as far as I know, it is it is important, it's significant. I can say that it's very crucial for everybody to learn every day, to practice regularly, because practice makes it perfect. So it's important for you to practice regularly. Basically, from my childhood, I tried to learn English. Although I'm not able to say everything easily, basically, I'm not, I don't know many words. So it is a lack. It's a big lack of myself, but I'm trying to recover. I'm trying to recover from this situation. As we know that if I learn daily vocabulary, that time one day will come when I will be able to say everything very easily, very with with full of satisfaction. So that's why it's important for me to continue my journey. I know that it is really very challenging factor, but if I continue my journey, I believe also that it's very easy to complete this task. Okay, so if you are new in this sector, basically in learning sector, it's a it is a fun language. So that's a first time you will face various challenges, but if you continue your journey, I I believe that you will overcome from the situation. So it is really important. Many friends of mine, they try to learn this language, but after some days they don't able to continue their journey. So there is the lack of their learning. But I believe you are able to learn this language because you have patience, you have honesty, and you have dedication, which is important for your learning. Basically, uh, basically, it is important for you to watch every day something. If you love sports, then you can watch something which is related to sports. If you love movies, you can watch some movies where you can get from where you can get some new words, which is really important for you to continue this journey. As I know that my speaking quality is very poor, it is an absent. Last day I have learned a word which name is abject poverty. That means there is no hope there. So under that condition, what will be the important factor of a person? I think when a person is hopeless, that time he or she should call his creator. His creator his creator can do everything only for the person, only for that person. Okay, so it is we forget that someone is always one, or someone is always ons our our call. He's waiting for us, but we don't have enough time. We show our business to him, but it's a very bad, and it's a very awesome factor that never we leave. Okay. However, I'm trying. I'm trying to learn this language. English is my love, and it's not only for my life. It's very essential for my career. So that's why I'm learning. I just use very easy words, easy words with you when I am making a video. That time I use very simple words, and that before. But I'm trying to learn new words every day, and I'm trying to make sentences with a word. For example, today I have learned a word whose name is marquee, and another is tenuous. Tenuous means weak. Okay, so I can make a sentence with the word as I have mentioned. The meaning of this word is I have mentioned already that its meaning is weak. So here an example: the policy of the policy of the running government is very tenuous. That's why people can can make acerbic comments one direction. So it is important for the government to overcome from this situation. Otherwise, another movement will come. Okay, I can make sentence. So it is an acerbic comments for government, but government should take initiative to change their policy making style, and change their foreign policy and other things. Okay.